cold things I got from Costco. I got a 2-pack of silken soft tofu, and I use that as like a quiche style custard. I got a 30-pack of pratas. These 3 dips, they're all vegan, and they're all based like flavoured hummuses, and I actually opened them all. They came as a 3-pack and had that for my lunch while we were out there. This one was really good, and even though it says pesto, it is dairy free, so I was really excited about that. I got for Ruben these pork ribs, hopefully he'll like them, some ham for his lunches, and some shortcut bacon, and what I'll do is I'll like section it up into pieces to get it in the freezer, and same with the ham. So that's all my cold stuff. So here is the pantry and fresh section of what I got from Costco. I'll start with this under here. I know it looks funny. It's actually some flour, but it's got a huge hole in it. It's $10 for this, and it's 12.5 kilos. See if I can find the size for you. I can't. But it's the baker's flour. They have plain flour as well, but this baker's flour makes the best bread, the best pizza dough, better than the other baker's flours I've tried. So I made sure to get that. I got these pickles, which also have already been opened. They're like the long sandwich ones. They're really vinegary though. I don't mind that, but I don't know if the kids will like it, seeing as I think it's because they're softer, so they soak up more of the like the brine. And I got Dijon mustard, chicken salt, which is actually the ingredients aren't that healthy, but we've been getting hot chips anyway, and none of those things to me look like they have animal products, so that's good. Organic sultanas, unfortunately they have oil on them, but I can't find ones that don't at the moment. Cucumbers, dates, organic whole apricots. They were a really good price per kilo. I think they were $13, and that's the cheapest I've found lately. I'm just going to turn up this light to see if that's a bit better. I got these 2 pasta sauces, Napolitana and Basilico. They looked really good. These also got opened in the shop. They're like these rice rusk things. We had 2 babies today, so unfortunately they are all individually packaged, so lots of packaging, but a bit of a treat thing. Raw sugar. I got these pastas. So I've got 12 packets of 1 kilo pasta, and they're a really nice brand. Oh sorry, they're 500 grams each, not a kilo. And you can see there's 2 of each kind. And then what else did I get out here? On this table I've got the rest of my stuff. So I got some jasmine rice. I got these. They also got opened in the shop. They're really nice. These are 12 different beans. So there's chickpeas, kidney beans, borlotti beans. I got passata. I got the red wine I always got. I got some soy milk, batteries, lots of seaweed. I got this ginormous jam, which I have to be honest, I got mostly for the jar, but it will be enjoyed. Tortillas, they're such a good price there. It's like these 3. And then I got whole grain wraps. I got normal pickles, 3 baguettes. You can see that was my lunch. I got some garlic, these sun-dried tomatoes I said before. Lawson picked some toothbrushes, so it was okay. Some baby wipes. Hopefully that'll see us done for the rest of our toilet training. And that is everything. Oh, actually I think I missed something in here. Oh yeah, I got this as well. This was Jack's treat for soccer, so he'll have 1 of those each week, and that'll last me 10 weeks. There's 10 packs. And that is everything. So So I have here my Costco receipt, and I am so sorry it is this crumpled. Wilson got a hold of it in the trolley before we even got out. But I'll try and hold it down so you can see how much everything is. That's $5.99 for those baguettes, if that's something you're trying to read. This was, like the 2-pack of pasta sauces. I think everything else is pretty readable. Oh, sorry, let me try and fix it here at the end without showing bank details. So you can see there. And the total for all those items was $365. And then I also got some drinks, but it's, you can see even in worse condition, it's just the one I always get. And the total there, you can see, came to $43.62, and that was for 12 bottles of wine. So altogether about $420 for everything I got.